Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Steam region or country step by step. First, open Steam on your computer and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you are on the main screen, go to the top right corner and click on your profile name. A small drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, select Account Details. This will take you to your account settings page. On this page, look for the option called Update Store Country. Click on it. You will now see a message explaining that your country is part of your Steam account settings. Your country setting affects what you see on the Steam store, the currency you see for prices, and the currency of your wallet balance. If you have moved to a new country, or if you are living abroad for a longer period of time, you can update your Steam country setting. To do this, you must complete your first purchase using a payment method from the new country. Steam uses this payment method to confirm your new location. If your current physical location is different from your current Steam store country setting, you will see an option to change your store region while you are viewing your cart or during the checkout process. Thanks for watching.